Hello, my name is Steve Knoll with Gemalto. Today we're talking about Sentinel UP, one of the new offerings in our Sentinel solution. Sentinel UP is designed as a software updating and messaging platform. Its primary role is to help you update your software, as well as getting the usage insights from your customers, stopping churn, helping customer satisfaction by allowing you to create an update, roll that update or message out to your customers, and all of this can be done without any coding requirement because of the way that we have created an agent to do part of this for you. This is especially important when you have a recurring revenue model and you're relying heavily on things like software maintenance, and that maintenance is tied to updates. All of that can be automated with Sentinel UP. And if you're looking for more information on Sentinel UP, look forward to having you reach out to us either through our website, where you'll find more information about Sentinel UP, send an email to our sales team, or take a look at YouTube, where we'll have videos as well.